The first day of a trial involving former Williamson County Sheriff Robert Chody and Assistant County Attorney Jason Nassour just wrapped up. Both are charged with evidence tampering tied to the 2019 in-custody death of Javier Ambler. KVUE's Malia Massamoto is following this trial. She's been following it since it began. Malia, what went on in the courtroom today?
Well, Quita and Darnisha, just about an hour ago, the judge adjourned for the day, so it's quiet in the courthouse now. But this morning was a pretty different story. It was pretty eventful this morning. The attorneys had several matters to discuss. They were going back and forth in front of the judge before they even presented their opening arguments to the jury, showing you just how serious they are taking this case. Now, Chody and Nassour are accused of essentially directing the destruction of reality TV show live PD footage that showed Ambler's death during his arrest in 2019. Now, the state's opening arguments focus on the idea that Chody's main concern in his position as sheriff was fame and notoriety. They claim that's why he sought out the contract with Live PD and then worked with Nassour to come up with what the state is calling the destruction provision, to get rid of the video that would put law enforcement in a bad light. Now, on the other hand, the defense argued that Chody and Nassour are the fall guys in all this. They claim that the provision in the contract did not cause the destruction of the footage, but instead they claim that the assistant district attorney did not issue a legally sufficient subpoena, which is why that video doesn't exist anymore. Now, after opening arguments this morning, the state called their first three witnesses. They started with an entertainment attorney, then the former assistant general counsel for Williamson County, and they ended off the day, that was just an hour ago, they finished with the Williamson County Sheriff's Office administrator. She just wrapped up her testimony for the day, and they plan to start back here again at 9 a.m. Live at the Travis County Courthouse, Malia Massamoto, KVUE News.